Okay, so the idea is to solve a multiplication of two numbers, multiplication in base of 9 and not base of 10. So let's see an example. So what we'll do is we'll take those two numbers, 758 in base of 9, and multiply it by 64 in base of 9. Okay, and I want the result, I want again in base not 10, in base 9. So what we'll do in order to solve this problem is convert it. We start with convert to base of 10, then here we will solve the multiplication, solve mult, and after this we will take the result and return to the base of 9. Okay, so let's start with converting each number to base of 10. So we start with 785. Let's convert to base of 10. So here is now in base of 9. So in order to convert, we'll take 7, this is 9 in power of 2 plus 8 times 9 power of 1 plus 5, 9 powers of 0, it's 7, and this one and that one, it equals 644. So 785 in base 9 equals 644 in base 10. Now we do the same for 64. So for 64 in base 9, we'll take it and do, this is place 1 plus 4 times place 0, this is 6 plus, okay, so let's just solve it. This is 45 plus 4, which is 58 in base of 10. Now we will do the multiplication, and 644 times, okay, this one I won't do it slow, I just tell you the result, because multiplication in base of 10, you know. So 373 and 52, so this is in base of 10. Now let's take this number and convert it, again this is the result, let's convert it to the base of 9 that we want to show the result in. So what we will do, we'll start to divide this number by 9 and keep each time the remainder and divide until we get to division that will give me 0. Then we'll take all the reminders and using from last to first, we'll get our number. So let's start. So we start with the number. We will divide it by 9 and we will get 4,150 with a remainder of 2. This is the remainder. Okay, we continue with this one. So 4,150 divided by 9 will give me 461 with a remainder of 1. This is again the remainder. Continue with this one. 461 divided by 9 gives me 51 with a remainder of 2. Proceed with this one. 51 divided by 9 gives me 5, it's 45, and remainder of 6. This is the remainder, this is the remainder. Continue with this one divided by 9, here we get to 0 with a remainder of 5. This is the remainder. Now we stop because we got to 0, so stop. We got to the end, and now we'll get our number looking from down up on the reminders and building the number. So the first remainder is 5, then 6, then 2, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2. This is the result. So this is the conversion of the result of multiplication in base 10 to base 9. So I can say that our mission was to take those two numbers in base of 9, multiply them, and get the result. And we got the result, and the result is 56,212 in base of 9, and this is the result. This is how we can multiply in base of 9. The truth is that we also could just do like this. Take 755 multiply by 64 in base of 9 and start doing this, and let's do it very quickly. So 5 this one times this one, 4 times 5 is 20, but I did it like in base of 10. This is in base of 10, but I want to do it in base of 9. So what I do is take 20 and divide by 10. Again, I convert this one to base of 9. So I'm doing it like this, which is this 2 with remainder of 2 because it's 18. So I take this 2 divided by 9, getting 0, remainder of 2, so 22, and continue this time this in base of 10 gives me 32 base of 10. Now convert it to base 9 gives me 32 divided by 9 gives me 3, which is 27, and remainder of 5, right? If I'm not mistaken, I already did this, so just let me make sure that I'm not make mistakes. So now I should get 7. It's 7. Wait. No, this is not 7. How did I get to 7? This in 34. Oh, I forgot the 2 here. So this is not 32, it's plus 2, 34. Okay. I felt that something wrong. Don't forget what we put here. So again, so the remainder is not 5 but 7. Okay, and then we take this one, 3 divided by 9, we get 0, and remainder 3. Read it like this, get 37 in 9, namely 34 in base 10 equal 39 in base 9. Oops, no. No. 34 in base 10 equal 35 in base 9. Great. Now you put here the 7, you put here the 3, and you continue. Now in order to continue, you take 7, 4, 3 times 20, so 4 times 7 in base 10, it equals 4 times 7, 28. Now don't forget to add the 3, so it's 31, and we get 31 divided by 9 equals 27, and remainder of 4, and then 3 divided by 9 we get 0 divided, we get here 39, 9. It means 31 SR is 10 equal 34 in base of 9. So with 34, let's see if it's good. Yes, we did it. Now we continue. Let's erase this one, erase that one, and now we continue to the next line. So this is 0. Now take 6 times 5, which is 30. Now convert it to base of 9. This is base of 10. Now convert it to base of 9, which is 30 divided by 9, which is 3 by 3, which is 3 divided by 9, which is 0 by 3, which is 33 in base of 9. So it's 3, 3. Now 6 times 8. Now let's try to erase all of this. Okay. Now 3 times 8. Oh, what 3? 6 times 8. Plus, don't forget 3 equals 48, right? Plus 3, which is 51. 51, now it's base of 10, divided by 9, it equals 5, 45, 6, 5 divided by 9 is 0, 5, so we get 56 in base of 9, 6, 5. Okay, and we are almost finished. 6 by 7 in base of 10 plus 5 equals 42 plus 5, 47. This is in base of 10. 47 divided by 9 get me 5 with 2. 5, 9 equals 0, but remainder of 2, 52. Let's see if this is true. 52, great. Now let's do plus here. This is in base of 9, all of this. So 2, 0 is 2, 3, 7 is 3 plus 7 in base 10, 10 equals 10 in base of 10. Now convert it to base of 9 is, this is 10 divided by 9, which is 1, 1, which is 1, 0, 1, 1. It means that this is 1, 1. This is a 1 and 1 here. Now again, now we get 6 plus 4 plus 1, which is 11. So we got here 11, so it's 12, which is 6, which is 5, and we get it in base of 9. So here we got the same result, 56,212 in base of 9. This is the result of this multiplication base of 9. In this way we did it by multiplying this straightly, each number like it's base of 10, and then convert each one to base of 9, and then doing it's much more complicated. I think this way of just starting with converting each number to base of 10, then doing the multiplication in base of 10, and then the result in base of 10 converted to base of 9 was much easier and much more straightforward than the second way of multiplying in base of 9, then base of 10, then base of 9. Many conversions, many options to get it wrong. I think this way, the first way, was much better, much more neat, much better. So take the number in the base you are, convert each number to base of 10, do the multiplication in base of 10, take the result in base of 10, convert it to the base you want. In this case it was base of 9, and get the result, and this is it in the base you wanted. Much better, good results. Thank you very much on that.